children, today I will teach you history lesson second, the king and kingdoms in India. Look at the page number 11. इसमें सबसे पहले आपको ट्रिपल पार्टीज स्ट्रगल के बारे में पढ़ाया था और अब राजपूत के बारे में देखें। द वर्ड राजपूत हैज इट्स रूट्स इन द संस्कृत वर्ड राजपुत्रा विच मीन्स सन ऑफ अ किंग। Around the end of the 10th century AD, the kingdom of Pratihars, Pal, Rashtrakoot declined almost simultaneously. New dynasties arose in these territories. Most of these new dynasties were Rajput, who are known for their bravery, chivalry, scene of honor and prestige. Sense of honor and prestige. The Rajput played an important role in the history of India during the medieval period. The origin is shrouded in majesty. They were either Suryavanshi or Chandravanshi. Some Rajput clan also considered themselves belonging to the fire family Agnikula. They believed that they were born of a sacrificial fire. The Garhwals of Kannauj, the Parmars of Gujarat, the Kalchuris of Tripura, the Tomars of Delhi, the Senas of Bengal, etc. were some of the famous Rajput dynasty during the medieval period. The Rajput kings frequently fought amongst themselves. Their disunity attracted the Turkish invasions. चौहान शब्द जो बना है चहमान से, तो चौहान ऑफ अजमेर एंड दिल्ली के बारे में देखें। द अर्लियर चौहान वर फ्यूडरेटरीज ऑफ प्रतिहार्स। अजय राजा defeated Sultan Muhammad near Ajmer, conquered Bundelkhand, Delhi and parts of Punjab. Vishal Dev or Vigraharaj IV annexed Gujarat and captured Delhi and Hansi. Prithviraj III was a brave warrior who captured Bhiwani, Rewari and part of Alwar and defeated Chandel ruler too. He defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191 AD in the first battle of Tarai. A year later he was, however, defeated by Muhammad Ghori in the second battle of Tarai. मोहम्मद घोरी ने ये आपको पृथ्वीराज चौहान को दूसरे तराई युद्ध में हराया था। दूसरे तराई युद्ध में हराया था। पहले मोहम्मद घोरी पृथ्वीराज ने हराया, फिर पृथ्वीराज को मोहम्मद घोरी ने परास्त किया था। परमार्स। द अर्लियर परमार ruler of Malwa were feudatories of Rajputa. Munja was the brave warrior who defeated the Hunas and Kalchuris and later annexed Mount Abu and Gujarat, Raja Bhuj, the nephew of Munjar, was the most famous Parma ruler. He made Dhar his capital. Chandis. The Chandis were feudatories of Pratihars who declared themselves independent in 900 AD. Yashovarman was a great conqueror. He captured Kalinjar, Chedi and Malwa and defeated the rulers of Kosla, Mithila and Gaur, Bengal. His son Dhangdeva defeated the Pratihar ruler of Kannauj and Kosla. Kirtivarman and Madanvarman two were famous rulers. Solanki. The Solankis rose to power under Mool Raja first, who established himself in Gujarat and made Anhilwara his capital. Siddharaj was the most powerful ruler of the dynasty. He defeated the Chauhans, Parmars and Chandis. The invention of Alauddin Khilji in 1297 AD dealt a final blow to this dynasty, and the Solanki kingdom was annexed by the Sultan of Delhi. सल्तनत ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तान को उसी से बना है. Rajput rulers were great patron of learning and literature, who patronized many scholars. Art and architecture also flourished under the Rajput rulers. They built a large number of places, forests, temples. Temple and places were decorated with murals. Miniature painting also began to be made during this time. Rajasthan and Pahari style of painting also came to be recognized as different style. Invention of Muhammad of Ghazni. Muhammad of Ghazni was the first Turkish inventor. He ruled over Ghazni, a small principality in Afghanistan. He dreamed of establishing a vast empire in Central Asia, for which he needed a large amount of money to build a strong army. He had heard of the fabulous riches of temples and palaces of India. He invented India's 17th time between 1000 and 1026 AD. He plundered a number of cities and temples. Some of these campaigns were against Nagarkot, Thaneshwar, Mathura and Kannauj, Kalinjar and Somnath, of which invention of Somnath was the most disastrous one. He died in 1030 AD. Muhammad inventions shook northern and western India. The country became exposed to the future Turkish invention. The Turks introduced Islam in India. Al-Bruni, who visited India in the midst of Muhammad's campaign, wrote vivid account of India in his book Tehke-e-Hind, Kitabul Hind. We also get vivid accounts of India by Firdausi, who wrote Shahnama. Invention of Muhammad Ghori. Next.